Hi, I'm Mike with Mike's Road Trip, and today I'm in the Bavarian-themed community of Leavenworth, Washington. And I'm staying at this spectacular B&B retreat called Run of the River. Now this property is pretty interesting. From the outside, it's rugged, it's eclectic, and even whimsical. But once you step inside, the accommodations are warm, inviting, and very luxurious. So come along with me and let me share this magical refuge with you. Wow. Well, I'm staying in the Ravenwood Lodge, which is a private cabin here at Run of the River. And let me tell you, this space, it is just amazing. I think I'll be doing a bit of raving about these accommodations. Pun intended, of course. One of the things I'm really digging is how masculine this space is. I mean, the rich leather, the rugged surfaces, and yet very luxurious, warm, and inviting. Oh, this is cozy and comfy. And the bedroom? Fit for king and queen. They even have a gourmet kitchen, so who needs to go out?
So honey, what's for dinner?
While the other rooms may not be as spacious as Ravenwood, they still provide the same great views and luxurious accommodations. Enjoy a relaxing soak in the River Rock Whirlpool tub or the natural feel of a travertine rain shower. At Run of the River, there's really an emphasis to surround you with nature. Around every corner, you'll see attempts to bring the outdoors in. After a hearty and delicious breakfast with fellow guests, you can explore the many sights around the inn. Nature and animal lovers will get a thrill out of all the activity. You can also partake in a variety of activities, from fishing, hiking, to biking. To a relaxing stroll, or even a cat nap in the hammock. And it doesn't get much better than this. Well, that's it from the Run of the River Inn and Refuge here in Leavenworth, Washington. Till next time, see you on the road.